Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have tables in your Word document that you'd like to analyze or manipulate in Excel? Converting these tables from one format to another is a straightforward process. In this video, I will demonstrate the most effective method for converting Word documents to Excel, ensuring your data remains intact and easily accessible for further analysis. Let's go. Traditionally, transferring tables from Word to Excel involves formatting your data meticulously, so Excel recognizes each column correctly. To streamline the process, I recommend using a user-friendly online tool like Word.to/Excel. Click the tag in the top right corner or find the link in the video description below. Simply upload your Word document, and the tool will convert it in a few clicks. After downloading the converted file, open the file and your Word table should be there. But note that it is not yet fully formatted for Excel. To complete the process, select all the data in the table and press Ctrl+T. This will convert it into an Excel table, allowing Excel to automatically apply helpful features like alternating row colors, banded columns, and even total row functionality that is perfect for data analysis. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.